Assalamu alaikum my dear students. You are welcome to APS online support program. I am Hamda Khan from Army Public School, Hyderabad, Kent. This is mathematics class for grade 3. And here is chapter number 1, numbers to 10,000, and topic is place value. Objective: a student will be able to understand the concept of place value of numbers and put in place value chart correctly. Introduction and explanation. What is place value? Think for a while. Now, whatever comes in your mind, write it down on a piece of a paper. Let's learn and memorize. The word place means where something is located, and value, what something is worth, means from digit 0 to 9. So, the value of the digit determined by its place value in a number. So, what we have learned about the place value, we have learned the meaning of place and a value individually, and we come so that place value determines the value of a digit. Here we simply say about place value that place value tells the position of a number. What we can see? Place value tells the position of a number. My dear students, but the question is how? Yes, by using the place value chart. You can see here we have a place value chart of 4-digit number. Now starting with ones, we have 4 columns here: ones, 10, 100 and 1000. Now in ones column, we can see the digit is 9. This 9 is showing the value of the digit 9, that is ones. In next column, we can see the digit 8. Now the value of 8 is 10. Moving to the next column, we have another digit, that is 4. Now the value of this digit 4 is 100. Now we have another column, and the digit in that column is 1. Now the value of this digit 1 is 1000. How we know this thing? By using the place value chart starting from 1, 10, 100, 1000, and this place value chart goes on to more values like 1000, 10,000 and so on. So here we see this thing that by using the place value chart, we conclude the value of any digit. My dear students, we have learned how to use a place value chart and how we come to know the value of a digit. Now, here we are going to learn the 3 forms by using the place value chart. Let's move. The first is the standard form, second is the word form, and third is the expanded form. Taking the previous example, the standard form. In standard form, we write the number in digit form: 1, 4, 8, 9. This is the standard form of writing any number. Second is the word form. In word form, we are going to write the numbers in spelling form, that is 1489. That is 1489. How we come to write the number in spelling form? Again with the help of place value chart. Now moving towards the last form, that is the expanded form, we are going to expand the number and with the help of place value chart. We know that 1000 is a 4-digit number, so we write down 1 and 3 zeros. Again, 100 is a three-digit number, so we write 4 and 2 zeros. Tens is a two-digit number, so we write 8 and 1 0, and we know ones is a single digit, so we write 9. So 1000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 9. This is the expanded form of any number. It comes 1489. So here we learn the three forms of any number: standard form, word form, and expanded form. So, my dear students, we are going to learn more examples so that if any confusion exists in your mind about writing in standard form, word form, or expanded form, so it will be clear. And after this explanation, you have to practice and work on these three forms. So let's move towards another example. The number is 5858. The number is 5858. How we know the value of the digit? Again, the answer is through place value chart. Now, let's move towards the first form, that is the standard form. How we are going to write down the number in standard form? Yes, by writing it in digits simply. That is 5858. Now, how we are going to write in the word form? With the help of spellings. We know the spelling of 5 and 1000. So, looking at the spellings, 5858. 5858. So, if you know the spellings of 1000, 100, so you can easily write down in word form. Now, the last is expanded form. In expanded form, we are going to represent the exact value of that number. We know that the value of 5, the 5 that is in a red box, is representing 1000. So, how we are going to write down 5000? By writing 5 and adding 3 zeros to make it a 4-digit number. Now, we know the value of 8 in this blue box is 100. So, how we are going to write 800? By making the number 3-digit. How? First we write 8 and then add 2 zeros in it. So, it will become 3-digit number. Then look at the green box. In green box, we have 5. Now, the value of that 5 is 10. 5, 10. So, we know this thing, 10 is a 2-digit number. So, here we write 5 and add 1 0 to make it a 2-digit number. It becomes 50. What it become? It become 50. Now moving towards the yellow box, and in this yellow box we have 8. Now the value of that 8 is ones. So there is no need to add any 0 because ones is a single digit number and we simply write 8. So it will become 5000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 8. So this is the expanded form. When we add together 5858, we get 5858. That is how we are going to write three forms: standard form, word form, and expanded form. Now it's activity time. Okay, dear students. Now participate in an activity by using piece of a paper and write down the answers that to be asked in this activity. What number represents A, B and C? You can see blocks are representing in A, B and C. Now write down in standard form. Now the value of A is 3004. If it is true, then explain how. Now, the third question is Maggie. Maggie is the name of the student, so don't be confused. Maggie switched out the 5 in 526 for a 7. How would the number change? Now, focus in A column. You can see 526. If 5 is to be shifted with 7, so what difference comes in? Write it down on a piece of a paper. Now the success criteria of lesson place value is place value of 0 placed at whatever place in a numeral is always 0. I repeat it again. The place value of 0 placed at whatever place in a numeral is always 0. So students, class assignment. Few questions are given here. You have to solve and send on APS online support program. Now find the place value. Write it in standard form and in expanded form. Now write the place value in standard form, extended form and word form. Now that's all. Now moving towards a recap. In whole lesson we have learned what is place value. It tells the position of a number. Now second we move towards the place value chart, reading the place value chart. Third is finding the value of a number. How we are going to find the value of a number? By using the three forms: standard form, word form and expanded form. To get good command on place value, keep practicing these examples. Write it down in standard form, word form and expanded form. Now, practicing makes you perfect. So keep practicing place value. Read textbook page number 3 and 4. Stay home, safe and happy. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.